कॉमेडी में री एंट्री, तरुण के साथ वापस से काम कर रहे हैं, थर्ड पार्ट के बाद आप आ रहे हैं
जी.
तो बताइए सर.
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But
Hi Ritesh, Anita here. Straight.
hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Firstly, a huge congratulations. The trailer is amazing.
Thank you so much.
But Ritesh, you have been the soul of Houseful franchise from the start. What do you think the audiences? Why do you think the audiences keep coming back to this film even after 5 films? What is that one thing that brings back the audiences?
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think, Sajid Nadarwala came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Okay, thank you.
अभिषेक सर, मेरा सवाल सबसे पहले कंग्रेचुलेशन टू द एंटायर टीम ऑफ हाउसफुल 5. दिस लुक्स हिलेरियस. एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज़्यादा निकला है. एंड अभिषेक सर, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. आई थिंक इट्स अ
तूने एक्सपेक्टेशन तो कम क्यों रखे थे?
सर वो बाद में बताएंगे. ओके अभिषेक सर, मेरा आपसे सवाल है. इट लुक्स लाइक अ होम कमिंग मोमेंट फॉर यू बिकॉज हाउसफुल फ्रेंचाइज में आप फिर से एंटर करते हैं. यू आर वर्किंग विद तरुण मंचकानी अगेन आफ्टर दोस्ताना. टेल अस अबाउट दैट. एंड कॉमेडी, क्योंकि आपने जब कॉमेडी के वी एंजॉयड इट अ लॉट. प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर एक्सपीरियंस फॉर हाउसफुल 5. मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिल के हाउसफुल 5 आपके साथ आ रही है. कॉमेडी में री एंट्री, तरुण के साथ वापस से काम कर रहे हैं, थर्ड पार्ट के बाद आप आ रहे हैं
जी.
तो बताइए सर.
नहीं जी, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. First of all, to Sajid, congratulations on 75 years. It's truly momentous. I don't know many studios that have made it to 75. And I think reaching 75 is a milestone because it's a testimony of his love that he has towards our industry. Coming to Tarun is family. Tarun and I have known each other since we were 16. And I had the pleasure of being in his first film, Dostana. Working with him is always wonderful. It becomes a holiday for me because you know that Tarun is going to take care of everything. And I'm just so happy that he's back to working. I think he's an amazing talent. And especially in a genre like this, I don't think there's anybody better than him. And I mean this with humility and respect to all the other makers. And I really hope that he continues to work a lot more frequently. Coming back to Houseful, it's, like you said, it's homecoming. I mean, all of these guys are my friends, and it feels so nice to be able to go on a set which is happy, which is loving, which is collaborative, and it was just a sheer pleasure. I'm very thankful to all of them for their love and for giving me this opportunity.